Select Active Data's Age feature to analyze rows of data based on a date column. When you select a column, the range of dates is displayed. Next, choose the date from which to display the analysis, and then select the aging interval days. We're going to total on amount, which is the dollar value of each invoice, and we're going to chart the results. This generates a new sheet highlighting the interval, the number of items that occur within each interval, what the percentage total and the percentage dollar value they represent, and a chart that you can further customize using Excel's built-in charting facilities. You can also perform aging analysis on subsets of the rows in your sheet or groups. Here we'll use the same parameters as before. We'll total on the amount field, check age by group, and then we'll specify that our group is based on the product number. The resulting sheet contains an aging analysis for each product number. If you click on one of the hyperlinks in the interval column, you'll be shown all of the rows that make up that particular interval. Remember that you can adjust the intervals and that you could also generate a chart for each of the product numbers.